In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Microsoft Planner in just 5 minutes. Whether you're managing tasks for your team or keeping track of your personal projects, backing up your data is crucial to ensure nothing gets lost, and today I'm going to walk you through that process step by step. First things first, open up your preferred web browser. Once it's up and running, hop into the search bar and type in Microsoft Planner. Hit Enter, and you should see the official Microsoft Planner webpage pop up in the search results. Click on that link to head over to the Planner homepage. Now, when you arrive on the Planner homepage, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. There, you should see a Sign In option. Go ahead and click on that. It'll take you to the Sign In page where you can access your account information. If you've already logged into your Microsoft 365 account on this browser, you might find yourself automatically signed in. But if that's not the case, don't worry. All you need to do is enter your email address, followed by your password. Easy peasy. Once signed in, you should have full access to all your plans. Next, focus your attention on the left side panel. You'll see an option labeled My Plans. Select that, and a list of all your existing plans will appear. Browse through this list and decide which plan you'd like to back up. Click on the plan's name to dive into its detailed view. Now, with your chosen plan open, direct your attention to the top menu bar of the Planner interface. There's a small down arrow situated right next to the plan's name. Click on it. This will present you with a set of additional options. From the drop-down menu, look out for the Export Plan to Excel option and select it. By doing so, you initiate the export process. The Planner system will compile all the details of your plan and automatically download an Excel file containing your data right to your computer. Once the download is complete, navigate over to your local storage or the specific downloads folder where your files are typically saved. There, you'll find the newly created Excel file. This file now serves as a handy backup for your Microsoft Planner data. Backing up your plans in Microsoft Planner is that simple. By having a saved copy of your data, you safeguard against unexpected data loss and have peace of mind that your crucial tasks and information remain secure. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.